So let's see a very famous method called Criss-Cross Method. So in this we multiply two digits numbers and we write the answer without even doing the two-step calculation. So this is based on a Vedic mathematics. So the formula that we will be using is 1 cross 1, where we will be starting from left row to right row. So this 1 means at first we will multiply the first row, then we will be multiplying the diagonal and adding the diagonal, and finally we will be multiplying the leftmost row. So 8 into 4 we get 32, so we will take 2 and in hand 3, and again 8 into 2 16 and plus 4 into 6 24. So 24 and 16 we will get 40, and 40 and 3 43. So we will take 3 and in hand we will have 4. So again 2 into 6 we get 12 and 4 16. So let's check whether our answer is correct or not. So we will do the long multiplication to verify whether we are correct or not. So 8 4 are 32, and with 3 16 3 19, 6 into 4 24, 4 in hand 2, 12 and 2 14, 2 3 6 1. So we can verify our answer, so it is correct. We will take one more example so that I can show you how fast this method can be. Suppose 68 into 52. I have taken randomly any number. So at first I will multiply 8 into 2 16, 6 in hand 1, and 14 and 40 54 and 1 55 5, and again in our hand it is 5, so 35 and 5 40. So you can see how fast we can do. Similarly again I will show you one more question. 68 into suppose 39. So here also we can do very fastly. 8 into 9 72 in hand, we have 2 in hand 7, and 54 and 24. So if we add 54 and 24 we will get 78, and in hand we had 7, so 85 5, and in hand we got 8, and 18 and 8 26. So let's verify if our answer is correct or not. So 68 39 2 7 54 and 61 3 to 24, and 2 20 2 5 6 2. So we can see that we have got the correct answer. So I hope you have find this video useful and you can apply this Criss-Cross method. So next time I will be teaching you how we can add multiply 3 digits number by Criss-Cross method. Thank you.